Welcome everyone, I'm so happy to do this yoga session with you. Today, we're going to move, breathe, and most importantly, have fun together. If you want to see more yoga videos, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Sit up nice and tall like a king or a queen. Bend to the side like a rainbow. Switch sides. Great job. Keep it up. Reach for your feet like a little robot. Take a big step to the side like a ninja. Switch sides. Great job. Keep it up. Step forward like an explorer on a mission. Balance like a magical tree. Switch sides. Great job. Keep it up. Make a little ball and hug your knees tight. Open your heart to the sky like a big magic rainbow. Rest like a calm little cat. Put your feet together and flap your wings like a butterfly. Sit low like a little frog. Lift your belly up to make a bridge.
Thank you for this session. You were amazing. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye.